everybody, this is Jeff from Robotics, and today I'm reviewing this rainbow filament by Tronxy. And I'd like to start out by saying thank you to Tronxy for reaching out to me and asking me to review this product for them. This is a sponsored video, but I would also like to note that all of my opinions are completely my own and not encouraged by any type of outside influences. I hope this video is helpful. Let's get started. Upon visual inspection of this filament, it looks great. It's got this foamy outer casing with a little bit of this plastic around it, of course, and then the silica packets, and it's all packaged really nice. So I really enjoy receiving my filament like this. It looks super fresh and airtight, so it comes out great. Upon visual inspection of this particular filament, I'm really super impressed right off the bat. I've tried other different types of rainbow filaments before, and these colors just pop. As you can see in here, we have our red, blue, yellow, green, and it looks amazing. So anyway, let's go ahead and get it running through the printer and see how well it prints. So this filament loaded really easily, of course. So my first real print was this vase. This came out amazing. I got this on Thingiverse, and it is one of 3 or 4 different models that this particular creator displayed, and I will leave a link to all of these models in the description below in case you wanted to print this. I scaled this up, I think 200% to make this fill the majority of my printer, and I have to just say I am super impressed with the way the colors look on this. This looks really great, and it all printed very well, very solid, and I like it a lot. I'm actually going to be giving this as a gift to my mother because she likes it. So then I decided to try another multicolor print, and that was this castle. And this castle here looks really well. I think I have a couple of problems with my extruder layering. I'm not really sure how that is, but you can, not really separation, but you can see the layer lines quite a bit in this, which isn't bad on the filament. It just makes the print look a little strange. I also printed this at 215 degrees Celsius, and I think it came out really well. I only used about 10% infill to try to save some material on this, but as you can see, the color shift in this is just brilliant, and I really like this a lot. So the only thing that I really wasn't happy with about this filament is that it stays the same color for too long. So you can see in this example here that I've printed out a lot of small parts, and you can see that gradually each one has a different tint of the color. Even though this is really the yellow section here, you can see all of the yellow is a slightly different shade of yellow. But if you wanted to have a smaller part that had the multiple colors in it, you really wouldn't be able to do that very well unless you were cutting sections out of the filament. I guess my only suggestion would really be to make the filament shift colors a little more rapidly. If I had to guess, I'd say they changed colors about every 100 grams. If you maybe changed it to every 25 grams, that could result in smaller parts being more color changing than the rest. Anyway, yeah, I had a blast printing with this filament. I think it looks great. I love the way the colors just pop out. It's definitely some of the brightest and most vibrant filament that I've ever printed with. I think it looks really nice, and I definitely intend on using it more in the future. I think that it looks great, it prints great, and I'm actually really, really happy with this filament. So if you guys wanted to try out some color changing filament, I have the link in the description below for you. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you think I suck at reviewing videos, give me a thumbs down. Either way, please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click that subscribe button. Your support really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.